PayActiv is an employer-based earned wage access platform that lets employees access part of their already earned pay before the official payday. That means it is not a loan system, but a way to pull forward wages you've already worked for. By the end, you'll know how PayActiv connects to your employer, what you can actually do inside the app, and whether it is worth using compared to other early pay options. PayActiv only works through employers. You cannot just sign up and start using it on your own. Your employer has to offer PayActiv as a benefit for you to access it. That structure is important because it controls everything about how the app functions. Now explain what it actually does. PayActiv allows eligible employees to access a portion of their earned wages before payday. It is based on the hours you have already worked, not future pay or credit approval. Now explain how access happens. Your employer connects payroll data to PayActiv. The app then tracks your earned wages and shows you how much you can access at any given time. Now, talk about how money is delivered. Once you request funds, the money can be delivered to a bank account, a prepaid card, or other supported payout methods, depending on your setup. Now explain repayment. Repayment happens automatically when your paycheck is processed. The amount you accessed is deducted from your upcoming paycheck, so you do not manually repay it. Now talk about fees and structure. PayActiv typically charges fees depending on how you choose to access your money and how fast you want it. Some options are lower cost, while faster access methods may cost more. Now talk about what it is actually good for. PayActiv is designed for workers who need flexibility between pay cycles. It is not designed for long-term borrowing or large financial needs. Now, the key limitation. If your employer does not offer PayActiv, you cannot use it. The entire system depends on employer participation, not individual sign-up. So the decision depends on your job. If your workplace offers PayActiv, it can help smooth out cash flow between paychecks. If it does not, you will need to rely on other earned wage access or banking apps. Here's the simple breakdown. PayActiv lets employees access earned wages early through employer integration. It works best as a short-term cash flow tool, not a full financial system. Do this next. Check whether your employer already offers PayActiv and compare it with any other early pay options you have available. Then decide if early access to your earned wages actually changes how you manage bills. If your employer supports it, PayActiv can add flexibility to your paycheck timing. If not, it is not something you can use independently.